Hello everyone, I am Ryan Robin Santiago, and we are the Four Musketeers, and welcome to part 5 of our endless running game tutorial series. In this episode, we are going to help you to create the item pickups. Let's jump straight into Unity and let's get started. So, today, we will learn how to pick up items. Now, if you are wondering what are those yellow spheres in the Scene tab, well, those are coins. So, how to create those coins? Firstly, right click and then 3D and then sphere, and let's adjust the size of it real quick. For the coin color, let's go to materials and create, and then materials, and then rename it to coins. And let's change the color to yellow. And let's drag it to the 3D sphere, and there we go. And now let's rename the sphere into coin. And now let's make it into a prefab. And here is our prefab folder. Left click and drag it into the prefab folder, and there we go. But since we have a bunch of coins already placed, so let's delete it. Now, let's play the game and see what it looks like. As you can see, we are able to collect the coins. Once you're already finished making the coins, in the level generator that we've made in chapter 3, we've added another level and we've added a lot of coins, as you can see in the Scene tab. And let's add some coins. For this, just simply copy paste it and drag it into the all obstacles prefab that we made. And now, let's move it to a new level that we created. Press W and drag it into the new level that we've made. And let's move right here and lower it down and align it. Since we added a new coin, we have to redo the prefab again. Let's delete it, and now it turns to red because it was deleted, and drag it back, and there we go. And now go to the level manager and add the all obstacle back at element 0. So every time you add a new coin, you must reattach the prefab back because you're always updating both the prefab and the level manager. In order to collect some coins, you need to add a box collider. Add component and then box collider, and then adjust the collider. Like this coin has a sphere collider, we are going to remove it. Remove component, and then add component, and add a box collider, and add a rigid body. In order for the player to collect it, in the rigid body, the use gravity is unchecked. That is because if it's checked, the coin will just fall down. Since we updated again, we will do the same thing we did before when we added some new coins. And let's play it, and there we go. We can collect the coins. If you guys don't want to delete some objects one by one, simply go to the Inspector tab of all obstacles prefab, and then override. You can either press revert all to undo the things that you've removed, or apply all. Once we play it again, you can now collect the coins, and you can also see the new level generated from chapter 4. And now we're going to add some coins into the obstacle course. It is the same as we did before, and so copy and paste and position the coins where we like and reattach the prefab. Let's play it, and you can see we can collect the coins. In order for all this to work, open Visual Studio and create a script called Coin Collection. Feel free to pause the video to look at the code, but this is how the script works. This script, Coin Collection, handles coin pickles in the game by detecting collisions with an object's tag as coin. When the player collides with a coin, the onTrigger enter function is triggered, checking if the object's tag matches coin. If so, the coin counter increases by 1, and the updated count is displayed on the UI using TechMesh Pro UGUI. And that wraps up for part 5. In the next part, we will focus on the UI and score tracking. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss the next part of the series. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.